welcome back. We got a new style video today because he's mostly doing body work and I know you guys are tired of watching it already. So we're at a car show today and a meet, so hopefully we get some things. So it's gonna be less time-lapsey, less the 3 songs that I'm allowed to put. And the music that they're playing hopefully isn't gonna be copyrighted because who knows. Okay.
How's your project coming?
Yeah, this looks a lot better.
I like the sliding closets.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's. Well, we just got back from the car show and got some inspiration. I figured we'd do our close it out with our Subaru. Oh, and a bee.
And a bee.
This is the donor car and donor engine and transmission that'll be going into the bus. Evangeline.
We didn't name the Subaru, there's no point.
No.
You're on Genevieve right now, though.
So we're going to be using quite a bit from this. This car does have AC. We'll see if we can hook up AC. Maybe we might be able to. Maybe future, but this will be another episode of ripping and tearing into this. But for today, we kept it easy on you guys.
Yeah.
All right. So,
Alright.
like,
subscribe, comment if you like this type of video, because there's probably going to be more to find paint swatches and stuff. So.
Cool.
Okay, see you next week.